turn the lights off in 3, 2, 1. And now the lights are off. This is the one, my friend. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video from TDC Reviews. In today's video, SANSI sponsored this by sending us this poolside light, and we are about to do a honest review and let you guys know if you should purchase one. All right, so a couple of the key features is this is a solar charging pool light with USB, so you can charge it quicker if the sun's not out or if the battery's dead. It's also ultra bright, which we will show here in a little bit once it gets dark, but it has 20 vibrant colors and 3 dynamic modes that you can change to with a remote, and it does this with 30 of its high-powered LEDs that it has, and it claims that this thing's going to last 30,000 hours of use. So that's a lot. So we will see if this this works. It also says it has an auto light feature, a time schedule, music sync support. That's kind of cool, so you can play some music and have the sync to it. Let's see what's in this box. Standard manuals. We have a remote. And that is the metal plate that you can use to mount to your pool. And this is the solar light. Super simple setup. It's already wired, and then when it's detecting sunlight and charging, it turns that light green, so it's already getting enough sun to start charging. And it comes with 2 pieces that are already wired together. The assembly is simple. You literally tuck this wire in here and then you shove these 2 pieces together, and it has 2 tabs that click in place like this, and you are good to go. So now that we have this assembled, all put together with that extensive assembly, just kidding, that was super simple, snapping those things together. So let me show you how this goes into your pool. I'm gonna be putting this in an above ground pool, but this also works perfectly and may even better work with a in-ground pool because you have the concrete side. But I'm gonna show you how this can still work with an above ground pool. So you just put it in the water like that, and we are good to go. One of the main features that I like about this is the length of this leg right here is long enough where the light, even if your pool is low, the light is still in the water. So the top portion of my above ground pool is metal. These are steel framing, and this has a magnetic base. So in my situation, I don't even need to install that steel plate. Here shortly, when the sun goes down, we will test out and see what the lights look like. All right, so let's do the light test. We have a remote here, and all I need to do is just turn the lights off in 3, 2, 1. And now the lights are off. And if you look over here, the pool light is charged. It's been charging from the sun all day, and now the lights are on. This is an 18-foot diameter pool, by the way, and I have it cycling through all the different light modes. This is honestly a lot more brighter than I thought it would be. What's really nice about these LED lights is they seem to be reflecting off of all the sides. So it doesn't matter if you're near the light or away from the light, it's super bright because it reflects. Now I think it's a little bit brighter closer you are to the light, obviously, but it's honestly really bright. For a nighttime swim, this would be great. My pool is actually slightly low right now, and the leg or the neck of this light assembly is so long that even with a underfilled pool, it's still reaching to be fully submerged and shining that light across my pool. Let me switch through some of these modes. So I can turn this off or on. It also goes smooth color changes, which blue looks really cool. This actually might be my favorite mode of the pool light. So this is another view of the pool. It's changing colors. This might just be the best upgrade I've made to my pool all year. The light with some music, have a late night swim. This is the vibe. And a couple of things, like the biggest thing is this thing's mobile. Since this is magnetic, I can move it from any one of these places. If I wanted to put it on that side of the pool, this side of the pool over there, I can just literally pick it up, move it. It's solar, there's no setup. Like, they literally thought about all of this. And the crazy part is that long neck that lets it get into the water, because that's a huge plus. Because if you have a tall side that you're trying to dip this into, like with some other light, if they didn't have this long neck, you'd have some problems, my friend. But with this, you are good to go. This thing's in the water, it's reflecting. So honestly, if you're on the fence about buying this, I highly recommend it. It's a perfect light. There's like no setup. I just have it magnetized to the side of my above ground pool because it's already got the metal frame, like I mentioned. But this is definitely a buy, in my opinion, a must have if you are needing a nighttime swim or just want to have a late night pool party. This is the one, my friend. So go ahead and check it out. And as always, be sure to subscribe and have a good day.